911, what's your emergency?
We about to turn it up.
Good day. I'm first year criminology student Hipitulan with my buddies. Today we're going to explain the reasons of why people commit crime. People commit crimes for many reasons. Some reasons include poverty, lack of opportunities, mental health problems, and bad influences from friends. Understanding these reasons can help us stop crime. First, we chose the biological theories. Biological theories of crimes state that whether or not people commit crimes depends on their biological natures. The biological characteristics that biological theories of crime claim are assorted with criminality could include factors such as genetics, neurology, or physical constitution. And my buddy will explain the next.
Biosocial criminology posits that criminal behavior is a result of a complex interplay between biological factors and environmental factors. This theory suggests that while genetic factors may increase susceptibility, is it the interaction with environment factors such as poverty, family, and dysfunction or peer pressure that ultimately determine whether an individual engage in criminal activity.
There are three key concepts in biological theories include first, genetic factors, second, neurobiological factors, third, environmental factors. First, the genetic factors. Studies have explored the potential role of genes in influencing criminal behavior. For example, research has suggested that certain genes may be associated with aggression, impulsivity, or a substance abuse, which can increase the likelihood of criminal involvement.
Neurological factors or brain abnormalities or dysfunction have also implicated in criminal behavior. For instance, studies have examined the role of brain structures such as the amygdala or prefrontal cortex in regulating emotions and decision making, which may be relevant to criminal behavior. Environmental factors. While biological factors may increase susceptibility, factors plays a crucial role in shaping criminal behavior. Social, economic, and psychological stressors can interact with biological preposition to increase the likelihood or criminal involvement.
It's important to note that while biological theories provide valuable insights into the potential factors contributing the crime, they do not fully explain all criminal behavior. A comprehensive understanding of crime requires consider a range of factors including social, psychological, and economic influences.
What's your emergency?
We about to turn it up.